Digital Marketing Tips for 2023. Hey everyone, you're watching Sprintseal channel where you'll enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Introduction to Digital Marketing Tips. And implementing tactics to the changing behavior of your customers once you know your priority of customers of interest and their demographics. Tip 2. Engaging and valuable content. Yes, we might have heard it many times. The best content is definitely engaging, informative, and has good customer experience. What you create should be what your target audience wants, that does not kill your sales. Any content creators should address the client's needs or they will quickly leave without a doubt. Often the content creation should be informative, interesting, and valuable to the readers, users, or clients. What happens is, any user would not like to spend time on low engaging, uncompelling, or query-solving information. Plus, this puts a view on the customer's mind to judge and trust your recommendations and content. You can come up with clear, concise, catchy headlines, give examples, and different content formats in various channels to take your content and social media marketing to the next level. It is very important for the audience to engage for website traffic, but brand awareness, brand reaction, industry authority trust, and driving for long-term social success. Tip 3. Maintain user experience, UX. In general means, all the marketing efforts with a low user experience would go to waste. User experience, UX, focuses on keeping an understanding of the mission, goals, values, requirements, and limitations of the users. This merges goals and objectives between a customer and a marketer with a project, product, or service. Many digital marketers spend time coming up with a digital marketing plan and executing marketing campaigns with a good user experience. Through UX, it tries to ensure that the vision and goals set by the companies meet the needs of end users, empower good experiences, and improve the retention of customers. Tip 4. Stick to mobile friendliness. Starting with a mobile-friendly approach is a magic advantage. In the era where mobiles are the most purchased and utilized for every query to social media reaching, having easy mobile-friendly accessibility to your service is effective for your website visitors and longer stay. Keep the mobile dimensions in the recommended size, optimize modes, portrait, collapse content as per priority, text input, limit form fields, be thumb-friendly, and more. Mobile-friendly websites reduce the bounce rate, aiding your online marketing, SEO, or digital strategy. Moreover, it is easy for a user to access via their mobile device, and mobile traffic has never been lower. Tip 5. Update your website. For multiple reasons, updating a website is not just important but a must. Secure your website and cultivate cybersecurity against cyber attacks, boost online marketing measures, and channel more website traffic driven. Plus, no users like to involve in a poor loading and outdated website. Collecting the visitor data to your website is crucial and vital to collect and use to create important content for audience satisfaction and accelerating sales growth. Tip 6. Invest in marketing tools and software. Our other straightforward tip would be choosing and investing in the right marketing tools and software. Is it good to invest? Which are the powerful marketing tools? Marketing software and tools make a huge difference. It helps to advertise, optimize, generate leads, brand, raise sales, and intimate customer data to elevate your digital marketing strategy as a whole to your product and services. About 76% of the top companies rely on resourceful and latest marketing tools to grow their business. Tip 7. Computerize activities. Automating tasks sounds not the best idea with manual involvement. But here are the biggest tricks marketers or entrepreneurs must apply. It's very handy when to handling vast amounts of tasks with fewer resources, huge time-bound projects, and a vast amount of activities. So, computing activities reduce such problems and help focus in the right direction, which boosts the approaches of digital marketing. It not improves workflows with accuracy and consistency but bring more efficient process. For example, if a particular task is monotonous or repeated at a specific time, you can schedule at the tip of your fingertips, saving a good amount of time. Tip 8. Content personalization. It is no surprise that 100% unique personalization is a key differentiator strategy and works best between an individual and your brand. This strategy relies on audience data to bring relevant content those interests and connects the audience. Successful companies modify and personalize content to grasp customers' attention by making it more relatable and beneficial and offer advantages. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel for such more videos and do not forget to press the bell icon.